we're about to do the ECU on this car. I did a video how to remove the glove box, so go back and watch that, or I'm putting the link below. It's gonna show you how to remove the glove box on there, and because the ECU is right under there. First things first, disconnect the battery first. Negative terminal. It's either some people have 10 mil, 13 mil, 12 mil, whatever yours is. Just loosen it, take it off. Hey, like I said before, if you didn't watch the video with when I took off the glove box, go watch that first before you do this. Or if yours is already out, follow my steps like mine. I'm doing a part out, so I'm not gonna put that ECU back in there. Well, I'm not gonna put it back because I might sell that if someone wants it, or just leave it somewhere because I'm doing a part out. As you see, there's nothing in the car except for the seat. I need the seat for now. I'm gonna take it out. I did a video on the seat too. If you wanna go check that out. Yeah, that's it. Right here, all you're gonna need, and don't forget, disconnect the battery. This is your computer right here. It's ECU right there. You see? Easy. It's not like you know, 2003 Maximas when this shit is like right under here. Oh my gosh, so stupid. But these cars, shit's right there, man. Okay, all you need to do, remove this 10 right here and this 10 right here, and it's gonna drop down. Let's take off the connector first. All you do is pull on this right here. You see this? Pull on it. It should pull out a little, and like that. See how this one comes out easy? So when you pull it, it comes out. This one, you gotta pull like this. Push this down. Go like this and pull down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Well, it should come out. Pull all the way this way. Pull down at the same time till it wiggles out. It should just come out itself as soon as you put it on this side. But wiggle it out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Soon you do that, just remove the 10s. 2 10s right here. There's one over here. Over here, up there. Okay, pull it towards you like this. Boom. There's gonna be some clips on there. You see that? You gotta take that off. It's gonna hold it from falling out. So take that off. I'm gonna pull on it. Or okay, let me get a tool to take that out. Okay, got this tool to remove that thing off. If you want, you could do that first before you take out the 10s, but I'm doing it right now. Okay, just like that. And carefully take it out. All right, there you go. Here's your ECU, man. There it is. Boom. Okay, now if you like sending it off, like, you know, to get flash tune or anything, anybody to work on it or whatever, you're gonna take off these 10s so it's easier to fit in the when you mail it. Some people mail like this. I don't know why, they're weird. Like this. Make sure when you take these off, you put it somewhere where you remember where it's at, so you don't, you know, so you put it back. Soon you remove these 2 bolts. There's one more here. This was just hiding it right here. Stuck on it. See, the last bolt. It should come out. Okay, easy, easy, easy. There you go. There's your ECU. Okay, once you do whatever you was doing with the ECU, just take your brackets, put it on top, put your 3 bolts, bolt it on there, and put it up on these two, you know, these 2 things right here where you took it off. Put this back on there if you're still alive like mine. Just put it in there, connect your connectors, and you should be good. Okay, make sure you connect your negative terminal back after you put on the ECU. Plug it back, start your car, and then keep it pushing. All right, for any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, and don't forget to give me a like, man. I helped you out. Give me a like to push this video up. People can see it if anybody needs the help. And subscribe, man. Till next time. Later.